Hi, I'm Max Davis Johnson. I'm here to talk about DEV, the DEV organization in the University Technology Office. So let's talk about what DEV is, who they are. The overall mission or overarching principle of the DEV organization is a better tomorrow, making tomorrow better than today. We do that from a number of different approaches. We try to use a couple of mantras or touchstones that we focus on. We talk about imagine. In other words, we try not to restrict ourselves. We try to be able to think outside of the box. We try to look at innovation. Again, we're trying to make tomorrow better than today. And then importantly, we try to implement. And so from an implementation standpoint, it's very critical that we have finite tasks or projects that we're working on. We have a large project. We try to break that down into a variety of different tasks with end dates because we need to bring closure to what we're doing before we go on to the next phase. The other thing we really want to do is just bring a passion to what we do. It just helps. It makes our job easier. People see we have this passion. They respond to us better. So the passion has to start at the top, and so that's among all our managers, all our directors, they do have a passion for what we do, because passion is, you can teach the technology, you can teach best practices, you can teach techniques, but you can't teach passion. So that's what we look for. We try to find people that have a passion for what we're doing. There's many things that we deal in as IT professionals, as technology nerds. When we develop something, we focus on key areas. We focus on, is the data right, the security. We have many best practices, but one of the things that we really need to focus on is usability, design, the whole user experience. And so in that regards, we've gotten very aggressive with usability labs where we bring in students to help us through the process. We're trying to make design one of our core tenets of everything we do. We have a saying, staying cool as long as you can. And what that means is a lot of things we deal with, you get down to a certain level, it's very industrial. And I'll use PeopleSoft as an example. PeopleSoft has a workable interface, but it's industrial. It's not as cool as it could be. And so one of the things we're really trying to do is just drive the whole user experience, especially from a student perspective. And so we want to stay cool. In other words, we want to have the best user experience we can, as deep as we can, getting into say PeopleSoft and the whole student experience. In that regard, we're constantly reviewing with students, where we have usability labs that we set up where we have students come in, review what we've done, give us ideas for what we want to do in the future. Because again, DEV is all about making today better.